In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Attio for recruiting. Attio can work really well as a lightweight recruiting CRM or ATS, especially if you want a flexible system for tracking candidates, jobs, interviews, and hiring progress in one place. To get started, head to the Attio homepage and make sure your recruiting workspace is set up properly. Before building your pipeline, it helps to organize the core objects you'll rely on. In People, you can track candidates, hiring managers, and referrals. In Companies, you can store current employers or client companies if you're recruiting for others. You can also create custom objects like Jobs, where you track details such as job title, department, hiring manager, location, salary range, and open date. Another useful custom object is Applications, which connects candidates to jobs and lets one person apply to multiple roles at the same time. Once that foundation is in place, click the plus icon and create a new list to build your candidate pipeline. Choose to start from scratch so you have full control over the setup. For the object, select People, since this pipeline will track candidates as person records. Then enter your list name. In this example, name it Candidate Pipeline and click Create List. Next, switch the view to Kanban. This layout is especially helpful for recruiting because it gives you a visual, drag-and-drop pipeline, making it easy to see where every candidate stands. Enter a title for the view, then create a new status attribute and confirm it. This status field will power the columns in your hiring pipeline. Now begin adding your recruiting stages. Create the stages in order: new applicant, screening, phone interview, interview, round 1, interview round 2, reference check, offer sent, hired, and rejected. These stages give structure to your process and make it easier to move candidates forward consistently. A clear pipeline like this also helps your team stay aligned and quickly spot bottlenecks. After the stages are ready, click Add Person to enter your first candidate. Type in the candidate's name, then choose Create New Record. Add the email address and enter the position the candidate is applying for. Once those details are filled in, click Create Record. Then assign that candidate to the new applicant stage and click Add to List. At this point, you've created a simple but effective recruiting workflow in Attio. You've set up your workspace, built a candidate pipeline, defined each hiring stage, and added your first candidate into the process. From here, you can keep updating candidates as they move through each stage and use the board as your central recruiting hub. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.